Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am learning these videos how to use of GST in Telegram with purchase vouchers. So first is enter the continue in educational mode, and then after create a company, press the F3, and then after press Alt C. Create a company like Locus Enterprises. Address it is West Champaran, Bihar. State is Bihar, and pin code is 845449. Mobile number, telephone number 76588075251, and mobile number is 9507854 Email address is Lokush Kumar 6543@gmail.com, and then after press the Control A, and then after I go to enable GST goods and services and tax GST, and enter, and then after enter. State is VR, registration irregulars, no. GST number you have, if you have GST number, so added the GST number, but you have not GST, not show the GST number. And then after monthly, enter. Then after press the Control A, and then after create a vouchers, purchase vouchers, press the F9, and then after open the purchase vouchers. Supplier invoice numbers like 1254. Date is 1 April 2026. Party account name, create a, then after press the Alt C and create a party account name, Raj Enterprises, and under it is creditor because I purchase of goods and services from Raj Enterprises, and then after press the Control A and Control A and Control A, and then after create a purchase ledger, then after press the Alt C and create a purchase account. Under it is purchase, and then after if you have applicable GST, so you have go to GST rate and related details, as quick here details, and then after tax saver, and then after GST rate is 18%, and it is a goods, and then after press the Control A and create items like machinery. It is under NOS, and then after press the Control A. Randomly I have quantity 10 NOS, rate is 50,000, total amount so 5 lakh. Press the Control A, and then after create other items like Vivo V40. Under it is press the Alt C and PCS. Control A. I have Vivo V40, quantity is 15 piece, rate is 40,000. Automatically rate is 6 lakh, and then after added the GST, then after press the Alt C and create a CGST and SGST. There are 3 types of GST: CGST, SGST, and IGST. 9%. It is duty and taxes. Under it is duty and taxes. GST. Others, if you have others, but I choose GST, but I choose others, and percentage of calculation is 9%, and it is mentioned of calculation is total sales, not applicable, not applicable, then out of this the control A, and automatically so the GST amounts is 99,000 rupees. Then after create a SGST, press the Alt C and create a other GST, SGST, SGST at the rate 9%. Inter duty and taxes others 9%. Total sales not applicable, not applicable, press the control A, and then after show the 99,000 rupees. In this videos show the GST with purchase of items, and then after press the control A, and then after display more reports and accounts book, and go to purchases register, enter and print Alt P and enter, then after go to preview, and for zooming Alt Z, then after show the tax invoice in purchase with GST.